trying to get some kind of video of lightning bug evidence you guys get to see. There have only been just a few lately, but now there's a lot more in a night. A lot more fucking mosquitoes too. Ah. But at least you get to see some sparklies. Woo. It's so cool.